Hello guys, what's going on? I am back with another fire alarm video for you guys, and today I am going to be testing my EST Integrity horn along with my Gentex Commander 3 strobe, which is set to 110 candela. The EST Integrity horn is very loud, so I recommend turning your volume down, and anyone who suffers from epilepsy and has seizures to strobe should not watch this video. But I will be starting the test in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the test between my EST Integrity horn and my Gentex Commander 3 strobe, which is once again set to 110 candela. And if you're wondering how I powered up the fire alarms today, I used 3 9-volt batteries, which gives us 27 volts. And I feel that the batteries work very well when I test my fire alarms. And I really know that the EST Integrity horn was very loud. And I warned you guys to turn your volume down, and I hope you did. But once again, guys, I hope you enjoyed the test between my EST Integrity horn and my Gentex Commander 3 strobe. Have a great day, guys. R's win, Q's lose.